Electromagnetic wave. In this chapter of electromagnetic wave, we know how current can produce magnetic field in magnetic field chapter. And change in magnetic field will produce electric field. Correct? Change in magnetic field will produce electric field or current. Ulta. Correct? When we are saying electric field in simplest way, we are saying ki current. Electric current. Where is this green color? Electric current. Okay. So how electromagnetic induction is change in magnetic field produce current. Now, very popular person Maxwell. He was using key electric field and magnetic field both are perpendicular to each other always. And NEET 2025 asked this question. The electric field and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other, and because they are perpendicular to each other, it leads to the electromagnetic disturbance in the space in 3D. Right? So electromagnetic wave can travel with the speed of light. So this, if question asks what is the speed of electromagnetic wave, answer is C. Speed of light, 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Correct? Light is also electromagnetic wave. First popular law is Ampere circuital law. We know Ampere circuital law say that B dot dl integration is equal to nu I from the magnetic field chapter. Anybody have question from this? लेकिन इसमें सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये है, द मेन प्रॉब्लम विद दिस सिस्टम इज it is not telling us कि if you have capacitor and two plate, what will be the current between the plate? What will be the current between the plate? Correct? Because according to this, current should be zero. Should be zero, magnetic field should be zero. But in reality, there is some magnetic field between two capacitors. तो कैपेसिटर के बीच में मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होगी, होनी नहीं चाहिए लॉजिकली, बिकॉज एयर है ना. तो वी कम अप विद द concept of ID. ID means displacement current. Here we say that amount of displacement current is same as conduction current, and direction of displacement current is same as the induction current. So there is one mistake in this case. If direction of conduction current is right to left, so it should be in downward direction. Correct? Direction of conduction current should be same as the direction of the conduction current, and displacement current should have same direction. किसी को doubt? Why? Because we just said कि displacement current की amount and direction is same as conduction current. ठीक है? What is the reason for this displacement current? Change in electric field and change in electric flux. Correct? तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट. Jordan is joining.
Sorry, sir, went down for lunch.
Okay. So, in Jordan, from today,
Yes, sir.
I will give full syllabus, not only biology test.
But chemistry and bio, sorry, chemistry and physics also.
Yes,
Okay, sir.
full syllabus for everyone. And for 2 3 days, I will discuss the topic. Okay. And I will start with the biology. So there is a proper biology revision for everybody. So they
Okay,
are good
sir.
in biology. Okay. Intentionally, biology will be done first to increase efficiency in biology and reading NCERT again and again. Okay. And it will be start sharply at 7 o'clock because paper is getting ready now only. It's ready. Everybody should be on time. 7:30 to 10:30. Slowly, after two paper, around I guess 15th of April, we'll make it properly every day 2 to 5. So your sleep cycle become like 2 say 5
So,
to
but
test
that
every
means
day.
every alternate day I'll be able to read the papers only. The other days I have to go to Pala for the papers.
Yeah, no issue.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Okay. So displacement current, guy. Displacement current direction is same as conduction current. Amount is also same as conduction current. What is conduction current? Normal current in the wire is the conduction current. Current between the capacitor two plate is displacement. Okay. What is the reason for the displacement current? Change in electric field and electric flux. Change in electric field and electric flux. We know electric flux formula is charge, net charge present by epsilon naught. Correct. So what will be change in the electric flux? If you write charge, charge can be written as I dt epsilon naught. Correct. So what will be current value from this case? I on the same side, epsilon naught go to other side, d phi e by dt. Make sense, guys? Can you prove this formula easily? What is the benefit of proving the formula? You also revise other formula. E electric flux is equal to charge by epsilon naught. Current is equal to charge by time. So instead of charge, I will write current into dt. So this epsilon naught will go to other side, dt will go to other side. Any doubt? Ampere Maxwell circuital law. This is better. Why? It is seem like Ampere circuital law, same B dot dl will be there. Instead of nu I, we have two current, conduction current as well as displacement current. So that's why you can say this is the modified version of Ampere circuital law. Modified version of
This
Ampere
chapter we
circuital.
have only theory part or the numerical also.
Will do both.
Okay, so
You have mainly this concept, like only new topic is displacement current, like formula wise mostly. So Ampere circuital law is B dot dl is equal to nu I. B dot dl nu I instead of I you have will have to current conduction current and displacement current is this. Correct. Whenever you have wire, displacement current zero, conduction current maximum. Between the plate, conduction current zero, displacement current maximum. Okay. What is the benefit of having both? There will be continuity of the closed circuit. Circuit will be closed. Correct. Circuit will be closed. And when you take two part of the circuit, both amount will be same. Maximum value of displacement current is equal to conduction. correct? Maximum amount, both amount is same logically. Okay. So displacement current is also the source of magnetic field like normal current. So what is the benefit? All the property of displacement current is exactly same like normal current. समझ में आया सबको कि कंडक्शन करंट की सारी प्रॉपर्टी नॉर्मल डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट जैसी होती है ना? इफ अगर हमारे पास डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट है तो कंडक्शन नहीं होगा, कंडक्शन है तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट नहीं होगा, है ना? दोनों में से एक ही होगा। और इसमें हमने एम्पियर सर्किट लॉ को मॉडिफाई किया है। ओके, नाउ सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन। In which way you can establish an instantaneous displacement current of 1 ampere in the space between the parallel plate of this capacitance? So you have to calculate dV by dt value. Okay. So calculate, solve it and tell me your answer. अच्छे से करो, बताओ, कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं। What your answer? Q is equal to CV, by the way. In capacitance, Q is equal to CV.
So 10
Anybody?
raised to the power of 6 volts per second. Is that the unit?
10 raised to power 6. Anybody got answer? किसी और का
2
आंसर
into
आया?
10 to the power 6 volt per second.
29 raised to power 6 volt per second. So we know displacement current is equal to epsilon naught delta E by dt. Correct? Delta E is equal to electric field into area. Correct? We know in this case, if you take area outside, electric field will be potential by dt. Why? Because you know electric field is equal to minus dV by dr. Okay? Minus dV by dr. Okay? So D will also come outside. Epsilon naught A by D is equal to C. This is equal to capacitance. Right? So you know displacement current 1 ampere.
So
You know
recording the
capacitance.
session, sir.
I am not.
No, yes, sir, you are. I wasn't able to see the thing. Zoom updated for me, sir, and ever since then I'm not able to see that recording icon.
The benefit of doing this kind of derivation is कि we'll get to know कि what are the different formula, like C is equal to epsilon naught A by D, correct? Or electric field is equal to dV by dr, correct? So you know displacement current, you know capacitance, dV by dt you can calculate, correct? So children, what was your answer?
10 raised to the power of 6 volt per second, I think.
So I think both of you were close. Next, Maxwell equation. Maxwell gave different equation to compile all the chapter what you have studied so far. Example, electrostatic, current electricity, magnetism, electromagnetic induction, हम इन सबको कंपाइल करेंगे एंड वी conclude the some important formula. Example, Gauss law of electrostatic. This is Gauss law ki E dot ds integration will be equal to charge by epsilon. Correct. Now we are calling it as Maxwell first equation. Second, Gauss law of magnetism. Instead of E dot ds, B dot ds will be zero because in a closed surface it is zero. Right. Third, Faraday's law of EMI. We know induced EMF directly depend upon n d phi by dt. By the way, if you have n number of turns, n will also be at it. Right? I will write here. So E is equal to minus n d phi b by dt. Correct? This is electric field. Correct? And last, we just did now. This according to Ampere circuit law, B dot dl is equal to nu I. Instead of current, we have both current, conduction current and displacement current. Conduction current and displacement current. Any doubt, guys?
Okay, now again say.
Yes. So these are the applications जो हमने पहले पढ़ा है. Gauss law हमने इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक में पढ़ा है. Same Gauss law. E dot ds is equal to
So the
q by
fourth.
epsilon. Fourth one, same repeated formula. We did same thing here. Ampere Maxwell circuit law. B dot dl should be equal to nu naught I. Instead of normal current, we have two type of current: conduction plus displacement current. Right? Same equation. Any
Yeah.
doubt, Riyan?
No, sir.
Property of electromagnetic waves. Electric field and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other, and they are also perpendicular to the propagation. It means if electric field is present in x-axis, magnetic field will be present in y-axis, and they are propagating in z-axis. Any doubt? Propagating in z-axis. Any doubt?
No, sir.
This is the first property of electromagnetic wave, perpendicular to each other, electric and magnetic wave, and perpendicular to the propagation wave. Second, electromagnetic wave is transverse. Transverse means up down, like proper wave. This is transverse nature of wave. Up down, up down, up down. Correct. See here. If you are calculating electric field, 2025 NEET question, then X will tell you where it is propagating, and minus sign in this case is telling you this is plus x. Correct? Plus axis. Same minus sign here, it is telling you plus, and z is telling you direction. Understood? If you are taking this z, it means it is propagating in z axis. And sign, if it is negative sign, means positive direction. Positive sign, negative direction. It means if you write E is equal to E naught sine kx minus omega t, it means it is propagating in plus x-axis. But if you write E is equal to E naught sine kz minus omega t, it means it is moving in plus z-axis. If it is E is equal to E naught sine kz plus omega t, it means minus z-axis. So we will say कि जो ये साइन है ना, ये डायरेक्शन को बताते हैं. These sign tell us direction. अगर पॉजिटिव साइन है तो नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन होगी. If there is a positive sign, there will be negative direction. If you have negative sign in between, there will be positive direction. Correct? Next, these numbers will tell you direction of propagation. कि वो मूव कौन सी डायरेक्शन में कर रहे हैं. जैसे फर्स्ट में ये x, this is x, so it will be x-axis. In second and third it is z, so z-axis. Everybody understood? 2025 NEET question from this chapter is this only. Okay, we know omega in this case is equal to 2 pi by t, or 2 pi 1 by t is equal to nu. Nu is frequency. Nu is frequency. Correct? T is time period. And k is the angular wavelength. Correct? And it is equal to 2 pi by lambda. Yesterday also we did same thing. K. This is NEET PYQ question. That's why encircled. Ki EM wave is always produced by accelerated charge. Static charge or charge moving with the same velocity cannot produce this. And same thing is given. See, electric field example in y-axis, magnetic field in z-axis. Like let's take electric field in one. Here electric field is moving in x-axis above, na? Magnetic field is moving in y-axis, and it is propagating in z-axis. Okay, all three are perpendicular to each other. And electromagnetic wave always produced by the accelerated charge. Accelerated charge means charge with speed is changing. With speed is changing. Okay. Next. Electromagnetic wave don't need any medium. Even in space, electromagnetic wave can move. तो propagation के लिए कोई medium नहीं चाहिए. Speed of light के बराबर हो. And speed in a given medium depend upon the electric field and magnetic field property of the medium. Example, in free space, what will be the value of speed of light? Maximum value of electric field and maximum value of magnetic field. Electric field and magnetic field. Okay, very important formula. And if speed is less than that, so normal. This is speed in normal medium, and this is speed of light. C is speed of light, V is in normal medium. So energy, whenever, because when electric field and magnetic field is moving, they are carrying some energy. Because of energy they can move. तो एनर्जी है तभी तो मूव कर पाएंगे. तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एनर्जी विल बी एग्जैक्टली सेम. ओके, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एनर्जी will be exactly same. This is important. Next, energy density. What is the energy density for electric field? This. What is the energy density of magnetic field? This. और इसको कंपेयर करें. See, here you have electric field, here you have magnetic field. In electrostatic we have epsilon naught in denominator, so here numerator. In magnetic field we have nu naught in numerator, so it is denominator. Example, if force is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square, so usually epsilon naught is present in the denominator, correct? But if you calculate magnetic field Tb by Biot-Savart law, nu naught upon 4 pi dl sin theta by r square, correct? Biot-Savart law. Any doubt? So very comparable energy. Electromagnetic wave is not having any charge. Correct? Photon don't have charge, electromagnetic wave don't have charge. So that's why electromagnetic wave is not deflected by either electric field or magnetic field. Same way, photon कभी भी deflect नहीं होते in presence of electric field or magnetic field. Photon are not affected because it have lot of energy. Due to this energy, there is momentum also. And do you remember in case of photon, energy and momentum conserve this region. And electromagnetic waves are polarized. Polarized means polarization property of light can be shown by this. Or we have in syllabus polarization. वो है ना wave optics, YDSC, diffraction and polarization. Electromagnetic wave are polarized. Sound wave are not polarized. Correct? Electromagnetic spectrum. Maximum energy gamma and minimum energy radio. Here, wavelength maximum, frequency minimum, energy minimum. फिर उल्टा इन केस ऑफ गामा क्या होगा वेवलेंथ मिनिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी मैक्सिमम एनर्जी मैक्सिमम
So do we have to remember the numbers?
no comparison because one time in NEET I think 2016 or 17 they asked exact number that's why I gave range
Because
intensely
in boards
considering
they told us to remember. So
see here you are considering the frequency because using frequency you can calculate wavelength this is um, like take it 20 to 23 17 to 20 14 to 17 14 like 13 11 and less than 11 done difference of 3 in first 3 difference of 3 then last one 13 11 less than 11 understood any doubt
yes.
easy how what is the meaning of intensity क्योंकि dual nature of matter में भी there was intensity the current is decided by intensity
So could you just show that shot again, sir? I'll
this
screenshot
one
and copy it down. Yes, sir.
this is very important and intentionally I'm not giving uses of every radiation you must have read in the board है ना
So could you
Yes.
just
board
repeat it once again for us, sir?
yeah no need because need do not ask many questions from the application part correct so but if you feel कि हाँ I need to explain I will explain I will just read quickly but no need to do explanation because need never ask question and this practical based question are less practical based like theory you have to remember the fact what is intensity of light does not matter where you study intensity is always how much energy per unit time per unit area or power of light per unit area is intensity okay we said speed of light is equal to e naught by b naught or normal velocity will be equal to e upon b correct normal velocity will be e by b and speed of light e naught b naught maximum value same way speed of light is also equal to 1 by epsilon naught and nu naught using the same thing correct maximum value same table is given you should know value of this visible region you can compare easily because middle one na intensity same thing energy per unit time per unit area or power per unit area energy density half epsilon naught e square because it is energy per unit volume energy per unit volume so we can say intensity is equal to power per unit area or energy density multiplied by C. Correct? So you can say energy will depend upon the power. It depends what is constant. It depends what is constant. Right? Correct? तो ये आया कैसे? अभी इसको थोड़ा सा और इलैबोरेट कर लेते हैं. We know energy density which is equal to energy per unit volume. Energy per unit volume. Correct? What is energy per unit volume? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught electric field का square. Correct? We have studied this. And what is this energy per unit volume? Energy length into area. If you multiply with the time and divide with the time, what is length by time? Velocity.
Velocity,
Correct?
sir.
So this is energy, area, and this. Can we say this is equal to intensity? Intensity upon speed of light. Correct? You can say energy density is equal to intensity upon this and also equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught E square. So what will be intensity value? C, go to another side. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Chapter done. So ask me if you have any doubt from the full chapter. पूरे chapter में से कोई भी doubt हो बेझिझक पूछो. You have 10-minute break. Go through it properly. 10, not 10 minutes, 5 minutes only. 5-minute break. Go through this. I am sending this PDF in the group. Look at this, guys. NEET 2025 question. Electric field is equal to this. Expression is related to magnetic field. We know electric field, magnetic field, and propagation of the direction are perpendicular to each other. In this case, if electric field present in z-axis and it is propagating in x-axis, then magnetic field will be in the y-axis. You can easily eliminate two options. Correct? Second, C is equal to E naught by B naught. Speed of light is equal to this. You know that, right? Speed of light is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 8. Maximum value of electric field 60. Magnetic field we have to calculate. So what will be B naught value? 20 into 10 raised to power minus 8. Tell me, guys, people say ki physics was really difficult. Was this question really difficult?
No, sir.
We are not bothered about any other main thing is first you know the concept ki all three are perpendicular to each other. Second, C, speed of light is equal to E naught by B naught. Tell me, was this question from our notes? And these are last year notes. Sandana, you know that, right?
Yes, sir.
These all are last year notes. Next. Saloni, smallest wavelength. Smallest wavelength, maximum frequency. Saloni. Gamma ray. Gamma ray to radio. In gamma ray, minimum wavelength, maximum frequency. Radio wave, maximum wavelength, minimum frequency. Next question, guys. Ratio of relative permeability and relative permittivity. In the ratio of relative permeability divided by relative permittivity epsilon naught is equal to 1 ratio 4. 1 ratio 4. What will be the ratio of the magnetic field intensity E and magnetic field intensity H in the EM wave propagating in that medium? Relative permittivity is like nu by nu naught, correct? And epsilon R by epsilon naught. Okay. And next, magnetic field intensity H is equal to magnetic field divided by nu. This is important formula from the previous chapter, magnetic field, magnetism and matter. Magnetic field intensity is magnetic field
Sorry, sir, the network's bad here.
network is bad.
Yes.
You missed very important question. This one.
Oh,
Tell me what is your answer and how you gonna calculate it. Don't tell me answer. How you gonna calculate this?
1 minute, sir. Let me just read the question.
Electric field value given, you have to calculate magnetic field. Tell me how you're gonna proceed this. You guys solve this question.
So, electric field is Ez is equal to 60 cos into 5x plus 1.5 10 raised to power 9. T meaning 1 minute. Amplitude is 60. Direction is positive. There's no negative sign. And direction field is Z.
Speed in a given medium is electric field by magnetic field. Speed in a given medium is electric field by magnetic field. And speed of light is equal to
So could you
electric
just show the
field.
options again?
I will show. I'll first finish this question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So C is equal to E naught by B naught. We did this. And V is equal to E by B. So instead of E by B, I am writing V naught. V. Speed. Correct. Any doubt? And we said C is also equal to 1 by epsilon naught nu naught. Correct. Same way, velocity will be also equal to by epsilon and nu. Any doubt? I think I mentioned this, but if I did not, then where is C is equal to this? This is equal to this. Intensity C here. In this case, if you calculate V value will be equal to 1 by nu epsilon correct. Same way like how C and V are correlated here. एकदम सेम तरीके से कोई डिफरेंस नहीं right. Now come again here. So your E by H value will be equal to 1 nu epsilon. Correct. All of you understood this, or should I explain this again?
So please explain it.
तो फर्स्ट थिंग कि हमें पता है we know that magnetic field intensity is equal to magnetic field by nu depend upon a given medium. This is important. Question asked is calculate the ratio of electric field by magnetic field. This is the question, right? Electric field same. No, what is asked? My bad. I think it is magnetic field intensity at not P. Correct. Calculate the ratio of electric field and magnetic field intensity. So you have to calculate E by H. H value is equal to V by nu. Understood? Okay.
So the
So
first question, so could you just
yeah, I'll come to that. We know is C is equal to E naught by B naught. Same way, speed will be equal to E by B. So, Nirjala, instead of E by B, can we write V nu? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Same way how you calculated here, you can calculate here also कि C is equal to 1 by nu naught epsilon naught. Same way, V will be equal to 1 by nu epsilon. Any doubt?
No, sir.
correct? So in that case, if you know this, V value is also equal to nu by nu epsilon. If you take nu into under root, it will be nu square by nu epsilon. One nu cancel. So finally, E by H is equal to nu by epsilon. Any doubt, Nizla?
No, sir.
But we they did not provide us nu by E. They provided us in question what is given nu r by epsilon r is equal to 1 by 4. This is given. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And in question, one more thing is given nu naught by epsilon naught. This under root value is equal to 120 pi. Any doubt?
No, sir.
We also know relative permeability is equal to nu by nu naught. Same way, relative permittivity is equal to epsilon by epsilon naught. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
So instead of nu, can I write nu naught and nu r? Correct?
Yes, sir.
And instead of epsilon is epsilon naught and epsilon r. Any doubt?
No,
Can I also write the same situation as nu naught by epsilon naught multiply by nu r by epsilon r? Any doubt?
no, sir.
If you see this E by H value, nu naught by epsilon naught under root is 120 pi multiply by nu r by ER is 1 by 4. Their under root will be 1 by 2. Correct? 60 pi. You will think कि सर इतना लंबा कौन करेगा? But correlate कि you are getting to know so many formula together. कितने सारे फॉर्मूले याद हो रहे हैं एक साथ. जैसे H is equal to B by nu. Magnetic field intensity is magnetic field by nu. Correct? Second formula, C is equal to E naught by B naught or speed is equal to E by B. Same way, C is equal to nu naught by epsilon naught. Same way, this. Correct? Relative permeability is this, relative permittivity is this. Tell me. The best benefit of such kind of question is कि we get to revise all the formulas together. Anybody have question? Yes, guys. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
So same thing is here. If you have any question, let me know. Everybody understood this question, guys? Pratigya, Chandana, Manan, Jordan, Nirjala,
Yes.
Rayan, Sahil,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So,
Aditya, and Suloni. Okay.
So the first question, so I got
Jordan, we did this question.
so, but the direction is the only thing which I got 2 into 10 to the power minus 7, sir.
Hmm.
C is equal to what is this? E naught
And
by B
imagine
naught.
ki even in the first question, guys, there is the application of the previous question. Ki C is equal to E
Alpha
naught
naught
by B
by
naught.
B naught. Yes, sir. Sorry, E naught by B naught. You basically B naught goes up, C naught comes down. You divide it, you get 2 into 10 to the power 20 into 10 to the power minus 8. But then that you can convert to 10 to the power minus 7, remaining the 0. After that, I don't know how to get Y value or Z value.
Okay. And Jordan, about the direction is I explained electric field, magnetic field, and propagation direction all are perpendicular to each other. If this is electric field, this will be magnetic field. This will be the propagation. Correct? Here, if electric field is present in Z axis, then it is propagating in X axis. That's why X is given. It means magnetic field will be in the Y axis.
So how do you know the propagation is always in x-axis, sir?
It is given in the equation X.
Oh yeah.
Tell me, was this paper really difficult?
No, so I got this question correct. I remember that I was correct. I got this correct by chance.
Hmm. Pratigya, theoretical question. Which of the following is not a electromagnetic traveling in the free space? They are transverse. Is this correct?
yes,
Second, energy density of electric field is equal to the energy density of magnetic field.
correct,
They travel with the speed of this.
correct, sir.
Yes, is equal to C. They originate from the charge moving with a uniform speed. Accelerated charge. So we already have this in our notes.
Yes, sir. Even circled it.
Yes. Next, Rayan. In a plane of electromagnetic wave traveling in the free space, electric field component oscillates sinusoidally at a frequency is equal to 2 into 10 raised to power 10. Amplitude of electric field, maximum value E naught 48. What will be the amplitude of the magnetic field?
1 minute, sir. So the same formula, C equal to E naught. That's what I was saying. So 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 6. So option C.
This will be 16 into 10 raised to power minus 8. So 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 7.
What I'm getting is option C, sir.
Maybe some mistake. What is this? If you divide this 48 from 3, what will be the value? 16. This 8 will go to another side, minus 8. So 16 into minus 8. So if you convert into 1.6, minus 7. Now tell me, guys, if you do PYQ properly, can't you say question number fifth is same as 2025 paper? Because here E naught value is given, B naught you can calculate. Same method, right? Same formula. Make
सर
sense? Yes.
सर एक बात बताइए, जब यहाँ पे फ्रीक्वेंसी का कोई काम ही नहीं है फॉर्मूले में, तो फिर क्या फायदा है?
कोई फायदा नहीं है, बस ऐसे ही।
सर ऐसे तो मैं ही कंफ्यूज हो जाऊंगी फ्रीक्वेंसी लिख के।
जरूर, फिर यही तो कंफ्यूज करने के लिए ही तो क्वेश्चन दिए ना, समझ रही हो? कोई कंफ्यूज करने के लिए ही जानबूझ के इतने वैल्यू दी जाती है कि उनकी जरूरत नहीं होती। लेकिन जब वो देखोगे तो आपको लगेगा कि कहीं ना कहीं तो यूज करना ही है, ऐसे थोड़ी ना हो सकता है कि उन्होंने दिया है तो
वही तो
वैसे ही
सर।
दिया हो। हाँ,
सर एक बार आंसर चेक करना।
यही है, बी है ना? तो कितना सिंपल क्वेश्चन था कि हमें ई नॉट की वैल्यू दी हुई है 48, है ना? हमें स्पीड ऑफ लाइट पता होता है 3 × 10⁸ और हमें बस एक सिंपल सा फॉर्मूला लगाना है कि C इज इक्वल टू ई नॉट बाई बी नॉट। बी नॉट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट, what will be B naught value? E naught by C. What is E naught value? 48 divided by 3 into 10 raised to power 8. ये क्या हो गया? 16. 16 into 10 raised to power minus 8. Done. Correct. So answer will be 1. If all options given in 1.6, so it will be 1.6 and 10 raised to power minus 7.
Sir, actually the problem is that I took it as 480.
Oh,
I'm thinking like why I'm getting -6 and sir is getting -7.
and imagine this fifth question, 2023, and this is the significance of नीट क्वेश्चन 2023 में आया, 2025 का क्वेश्चन देख, एग्जैक्टली सेम। If E naught value is this, you have to calculate B naught value. B naught value will be, you can eliminate two options. Then, Jordan, as we discussed, direction, कि electric field is perpendicular to magnetic field, perpendicular to the propagation.
Yes,
If
sir.
this is X, this is Z, it means it will be Y. Done. Understood?
Got it, sir.
तो इतने आसान क्वेश्चन आते हैं नीट में।
तो 23 का 25 में आया तो 24 का 26 में आएगा क्या?
एग्जैक्टली exactly. समझ गई प्यारी। Next question. In AC source connected to capacitor C, due to decrease in its operating frequency, what will be impact on the displacement current? In case of AC, you know, in capacitance, resistance is equal to 1 by C omega. Correct? In resistance AC chapter, alternating current, in LCR circuit, capacitive reactance, C capacitor, capacitive reactance, if you calculate, what will be the value? 1 by C omega, and omega is equal to 2 pi nu. अब सोचो, if frequency decrease, then omega will decrease. If omega decrease, resistance increase. Resistance increase, current will decrease. Make sense? Correct. So what should be the answer, Chandana?
सर ऑप्शन नहीं।
Yes. Was it really easy, guys? Simple formula, and we all of you did this in class 12. Xc is equal to 1 by c omega. If frequency in decrease, omega decrease, so Xc increase means current decrease. Why? Because if resistance increase, current will definitely decrease, right? It is kind of resistance in capacitor. सबको समझ में आया? बोलो आया।
आया।
आ गया सर।
कहाँ तक पहुंचा? आता आयता। बोलो आयतू।
सर
अरे बोलो।
लैंग्वेज है क्या सर?
हैं?
सर ये वही लैंग्वेज है क्या जो आपने मतलब क्लास में बोला था?
आता आयता आयतू नहीं, ये कन्नड़ लैंग्वेज है,
ओह,
कर्नाटका।
सर ये लैंग्वेज क्यूट नहीं है?
बहुत क्यूट है।
I'm
बहुत
laughing
क्यूट
at the background, sir.
सुनने में तो अच्छा लग रहा है सर, पता नहीं मीनिंग क्या है।
अर्था आयता
वही सर,
मीन्स।
सीखनी पड़ेगी तो बहुत ही अच्छी लग रही है।
Sir,
हाँ
let them stay in Bangalore traffic for like at least an hour. Then they'll hear all the colorful words.
आर यू गेटिंग गाइज?
यस सर, यस बिल्कुल।
हम्म। This is Kannada language is beautiful, but when you go to Bangalore and stuck in Bangalore traffic,
सर वही प्यारे प्यारे शब्द हमें हिंदी में यहाँ सुनने को मिल जाते हैं।
हाँ exactly, artha aita, it
सर
means
आप तो उड़ीसा में रहे हो ना सर?
हाँ 1 year।
सर जूडियो का,
जूडियो का?
जूडियो का आप बोल रहे थे, कुछ बातें याद है?
जूडियो का बातें नहीं, अब मैं भूल गया।
सर बाद में बता दूंगा, ये रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है
हम्म।
ना सर, सर बता नहीं सकते।
हाँ, so this question done. See this question. Who will answer? Chandana, minimum wavelength of X-ray produced by an electron accelerated to potential difference. This is
Sir, 1 by V.
one. Priyanka?
Sir, 1 by root V.
Yes. H upon mv or H upon under root 2me, or instead of kinetic energy you can use potential energy. For electron mass, charge and H value is fixed. Can we say, Chandana?
Yes, sir.
Dual nature of matter, we just did this. Okay. By the electron. For electron, this is how you calculate. For normal, you calculate this is equal to Hc upon energy. Correct? So Hc, what is the energy? Energy is equal to eV naught. So this for the photon or energy particle for X-ray is inversely proportional to V naught. Any doubt, Priyanka? For electron, 1 by V naught. For X-ray, 1 by V naught normally. In one case you have under root, in second case you don't. Correct. So which one will be correct, Chandana?
Sir, 1 by root V.
For X-ray it is given.
Yes. Energy,
Oh,
na?
yes, sir.
For
I
electron,
saw electron there.
this, and for X-ray this, and it is just minimum wavelength of X-ray. Correct. So revision of dual nature of matter. And when I asked, no, I told you, see, they asked question in 2022. Jordan,
So X-rays will be wait, wavelength, no? Will become
but again, you don't need to remember this. I can solve this without
the
remembering these
X-rays
things.
is 1 10 raised to the power minus 10. And
Yes, very good. Very good. Keep going.
after that, radio waves will be the largest, no? So that will be 10 raised to the power of 2. A is 2.
Yes. So X-ray should be minimum because
Minimum.
minimum
Value.
wavelength.
So 10.
Right? So D is 1. You can
D is
eliminate this.
1. A should be 2, which is
A should
option
be
D.
2.
Option D.
Done. So if you try to memorize the number, you cannot solve this. But if you correlate with the comparison, yeah, minimum X-ray, maximum radio wave, done. Saloni,
Yes, sir.
when light propagates through a material, relative permittivity this, relative permeability this, V is this. What will be V value? Saloni.
Yes, sir. Option C, sir.
Option D. Find out. कोई बात नहीं, क्वेश्चन नहीं आता, but we revised कि velocity is equal to E by B. Same way, how P, speed of light, will be equal to E naught by B naught. Correct? Same way. Second, V is equal to this, and we know C is equal to 1 by epsilon naught E naught. We know these formulae. So are you guys agree कि we are revising again and again? Now you can able to recall this properly. Jordan, Nirzila,
Yes, sir.
Pratigya,
Yes, sir.
what do you guys say? Are you able to recall this because we are doing again and again?
Yes, sir.
So you can never remember formulas if you try to memorize it. You can remember formula if you apply it again and again. Okay. So that's why you will have full syllabus paper today at 7:30 sharp.
So bio, right?
No, full syllabus. Chemistry, biology.
But you said Monday we have biology.
So I thought from today we'll start full syllabus, and for next 2 days I will discuss this full syllabus paper in detail. In full detail. Okay, so 2-3 days.
या ऊपर वाला
क्या?
The proper 3 hour wala.
हाँ proper 3 7:30 to 10:30 only. There's no other time.
Okay, sir.
I will write in the group also. So
This one
B,
we right?
this one,
So this one that day we already did, right?
which one?
So this question only.
No, this is different question. So who will, Ryan, you solve this question.
So
What is the
let
direction of B magnetic field?
so J X
Magnetic field in y-axis and propagating in x-axis. So electric field direction will be Z. It is asking electric field Z. Correct. And if you want to calculate E naught by B naught is equal to C.
the power D J and the associated electric field will be. So the same formula is used everywhere.
Exactly.
So
Any
option A.
doubt?
Option A.
Yes.
सर ये कोसाइन के मसले को कैसे हल करेंगे?
बस ऐसे कैसा रखेंगे, करना ही नहीं गए हैं, मतलब ही नहीं है उससे।
ओके
हाँ, अब देखो ये सेम टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन रिपीटेड 3 टाइम. Question number 10 is same in 2022, right? Then same question here, not this. Same question this 2023, and now in 2025 exactly same question. What would you say guys? तो यहाँ पे भी तो सेम ही था, क्या बोलते हैं निर्जला, यहाँ पे भी कोस है, कोस ही रहेगा, हमें फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता.
ओके
अब बताओ, if anybody solved 22 question, 23 question, 25 automatically is easy. And people are wondering what should they do in J, sorry, in NEET preparation. Only PYQ. At least you don't miss that part. Shall we do 1 2 question, then we'll end the session. Who is left out? Aditya.
Yes, sir.
Next question. Ratio of the magnitude of magnetic field and electric field in free space with this and this is ratio of magnetic field and electric field.
Sir, C part.
Yes, because we know C is equal to E naught by B naught. If you see maximum value, so what will be the value? B naught by E naught 1 by C. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then solve this question. Jordan. Capacitor have capacitance this connected with this potential. Displacement current between the plate would be then.
Option B.
Option B. So what is the formula of displacement current? Epsilon naught d phi by dt, d phi e by dt.
No, sir, it's option A. It's option A.
This is electric field into area by dt. Then area will come out. What will be dE by dt? If you calculate, multiply by length and divide by length, what will happen? Epsilon naught E by d will come out, correct? And it will be dt of the potential dV by dt. Any doubt? Any doubt, guys? So displacement current epsilon naught A by d is equal to capacitance. Potential value is equal to V naught sine omega t. What is the differentiation of sine? Cos epsilon naught, it will come out, the common value. So d c V naught will come out, omega will come out. It will be sine differentiation cos. Done. Do you have this option? Yes. Should I explain this again?
The answer which omega is not there.
It should be. Maybe printing mistake. Printing mistake, because in other it could be d, but here we should have cos, not
Cos
sine.
omega. So I omitted C and D, sir, because sin omega is all there in both.
Yes, good. So at least you know differentiation of V will give you cos. So only these two options possible.
Maybe instead of that epsilon naught, there would be
And you
any.
know how to eliminate this option also. If you at least you know sine differentiation will be cos. If you know, you can omit these two options. Correct. Second, if you calculate here 1 by c omega is equal to r. So if you calculate displacement current, it is never equal to VR cos omega t. It should be V naught by R cos omega t. Make sense? It should be in denominator, because according to Ohm's law, we know current is equal to potential by resistance. So it should be like this, not like this. Logically, you can solve this question. Make sense? 1 by this whole thing is resistance, capacitive reactance, right? Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Should I explain this concept again, or you understood everything?
Understood.
क्लास कब तक है सर?
थक गए आदित्य? एक क्वेश्चन तो और नहीं, ये तो दूसरे चैप्टर के। चलो दूसरे चैप्टर का कर लेते हैं भाई, हो सकता है बाई मिस्टेक यहाँ पे। विल डू दिस लास्ट क्वेश्चन। एनीबॉडी हु इज लेफ्ट आउट फ्रॉम whom I didn't ask question? साहिल शर्मा, बताओ। The electromagnetic wave wavelength is incident on the surface with negligible work function. If mass of the photoelectron emitted from the surface d Broglie wavelength, then
सर जी आता नहीं।
ठीक है। So de Broglie wavelength is equal to h upon p or h upon mv or h upon 2me. Correct? For photon, if you calculate energy, you know energy is equal to hc by lambda, or lambda is equal to hc by e. Any doubt? So instead of this under root 2m e, can you write hc by lambda? Any doubt? Correct? We have to calculate lambda, not lambda d. So if you calculate lambda, do square both sides, because our formula is lambda d h upon h lambda under root 2m hc. Correct? Take square both sides. Lambda d square is equal to h square lambda divided by 2m hc. H cancel. Correct? What will be your lambda value? 2m c into lambda d square by h. Do you have any option to mc lambda square? Yes. समझ में आया साहिल?
Yes, sir.
तो यही सेम क्वेश्चन हमने आज ड्यूअल नेचर ऑफ मैटर में 2-3 बार किया था. We did same question 2-3 times, where you have to correlate energy is equal to lambda is equal to hc by lambda and this de Broglie equation. है ना? 2025 NEET question same, 2023 NEET question same, 2021 NEET question same. So you can imagine there is always
तो
correlation.
सिर्फ 1 ईयर का छोड़ के है,
क्या
तो बीच में 1 ईयर का गैप छोड़ के है ना.
मतलब तुम ये चाहती हो कि मैं एकदम पेपर परोस दूं तुम्हारे सामने कि ये लो 2026 का पेपर यही आएगा, खत्म.
Sir, don't jinx, do not jinx.
हम्म.
Sir, you'll say it will come, and what if it doesn't come?
That's why I'm not saying anything.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So, what would you say about this chapter in general? Let me ask one by one. Electromagnetic wave from my side done. आदित्य प्रधान, आदित्य
हाँ जी
सुर्खी,
सर.
कैसा लगा ये चैप्टर?
सही है सर, पर प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत है. अभी थोड़ा क्वेश्चन करूंगा अभी.
लेकिन ये तो है कि 1 घंटे में आराम से इसको अच्छे से कर सकते हैं.
हाँ जी सर, कर सकते हैं.
प्रतिज्ञा बड़ी ताई, कैसा लगा ये चैप्टर?
हाँ ठीक है.
चंदना,
Yes, sir. I have to solve more questions.
chapter is easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Then Manan,
तो
आसान लगा?
हाँ
इतने दुखे मन से क्यों बोल रहे हो? जिंदगी में ऐसे भी क्या दुख है? इस सब नींव से बड़ा दुख थोड़ी ना हो सकता कुछ.
नहीं,
नहीं नहीं है दुख कोई भी.
कोई दुख नहीं है।
ठीक है. प्रियंका, कैसा लगा चैप्टर?
सर मैंने थोड़ा लेट ज्वाइन करा था, बट हो जाएगा
इजी
प्रैक्टिस.
लगा क्योंकि अभी 12th भी अभी की है तो.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
हाँ. जॉर्डन,
Yes, sir.
How did you feel, Mr. J?
It was good, sir.
Okay, it was easy and straightforward
It was
question.
easy, straightforward. Yeah, good revision also for me.
Okay, Miss Nirjala Singh.
यस सर।
निर्जला, तुम्हें सुन के ना वो निर्मला सीतारमन वाली याद आती है।
सर सब लोग यही बोलते हैं।
फर्स्ट लेटर, सारे लेटर ऑलमोस्ट सेम है, जे की जगह वही एम ही तो है।
यस सर।
तो निर्मला सीतारमन, निर्मला ताई।
सर चैप्टर तो इजी था, बट एक चीज मैंने ऑब्जर्व करी, क्वेश्चंस में आप कोई भी क्वेश्चंस ले लो, एक फॉर्मूला मतलब सब में ही सेम ही है, मतलब एट द एंड आपको वही मिल जाएगा, सी इक्वल्स टू ई नॉट बाई बी नॉट।
एग्जैक्टली। मिस मिस रेयान आरती साहू।
बढ़िया था सर।
साहिल शर्मा।
सर वो
थे
अभी
तुम पूरे लेक्चर में?
होगा।
क्या?